What's the meaning of allusive? Allusive. 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 Allusive.
The word allusive is an adjective that pertains to language or communication that indirectly refers to something. When someone uses allusion, they refer to a literary or historical figure, event, or aspect of culture without expressly mentioning it. This can be a useful tool for conveying complex ideas or emotions by making use of pre-existing cultural associations. For example, a speaker might make an allusion to Shakespeare's Hamlet to illustrate a point about the challenges of decision-making. In this way, allusive language can enrich meaning and deepen understanding by tapping into our shared cultural heritage.